Hello mga ka-Ilonggos, kag mga ka-Ilonggas, welcome back sa aming channel. Medyo matagal-tagal ulit kami bago nakapag-vlog. At aminado ako, medyo tinatamad din ako mag-content lately. So eto na, we're back. And this time, may bago na naman kaming ma-share sa inyo. For today's video, I just wanna share with you guys our travel going to Jebel Hafid in Al Ain, United Arab Emirates. Samahan niyo kami sa isang relaxing but super memorable staycation trip here in Jebel Hafid. Isa ito sa pinakamataas na bundok dito sa UAE. Around 1,200 meters or roughly 4,000 feet above sea level. Kaya expect niyo talaga ang lamig ng hangin at ganda ng view. By the way, this trip is extra special kasi we were invited to celebrate Vivan's birthday. Honestly, hindi pa sana kami matutuloy. Kasi nag-swap lang ako ng off sa colleague ko. Pero buti na lang, nag-workout pa rin. Kasi minsan, kahit busy tayo, kailangan din natin mag-pause at mag-enjoy. And you know, ang sarap talaga sa feeling makapag-travel minsan. Parang kahit sandali, nakakalimutan mo yung stress at pressure ng everyday life. We stayed at Orex Grand Hotel, Jebel Hafid, na located sa tuktok mismo ng bundok. So imagine waking up with that kind of view. So we started our journey from Sharjah, and it took us around 3 to 3.5 hours na biyahe. Medyo long drive siya, pero promise worth it at bawat minuto. Habang nasa daan kami, syempre hindi mawawala ang kwentuhan, tsikahan at kulitan sa loob ng sasakyan. Ang mga bata nag-aagawan pa kung sino ang upo sa may window. Habang papapalapit kami sa Al Ain, napansin namin na nag-iiba na yung paligid. Mas green, mas tahimik, mas nature vibes, parang unti-unti ka nang nilalayo sa city life. And then, paakyat na kami ng Jebel Hafid. Dito talaga nagsisimula yung excitement. Yung road niya is zigzag, paikot-ikot, pero very smooth at well-maintained. Habang umaakyat kami, bawat liko may bagong surprise, panibagong view, panibagong wow moment. Parang nasa movie ka. Lalo na kapag golden hour, yung tipong mapapawaw ka na lang kahit ilang beses ka nang tumingin. Medyo nakakaramdam ka rin ng konting kaba, pero mas mangingibabaw yung excitement. Pagdating namin sa taas, grabe, sobrang ganda ng view. Kita mo yung malawak na desert at buong city ng Al Ain from above. Tahimik, presko, at sobrang peaceful. Parang ang sarap magstay forever. Pagdating namin sa hotel, agad kaming na-amaze. Malinis, maayos, at very cozy yung place. Perfect for a relaxing staycation. Pagpasok pa lang namin sa room, syempre yung unang check, ang view. And wow, hindi talaga kami na-disappoint. Simple lang yung room, pero very comfortable. Yung tipong gusto mo lang humiga, magpahinga, at namnamin yung katahimikan. After check-in, syempre excited na agad ang mga bata. Hindi na sila mapakali. Alam niyo na, energy level 100%. Nag-explore kami, may pool area, biking space, at open areas na perfect for family bonding. And of course, highlight ng trip ang swimming. As in, sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga bata. Kahit medyo malamig yung hangin sa taas ng bundok, tuloy-tuloy pa rin sila. Walang kapaguran. Parents, alam niyo yung feeling na kahit pagod ka na, pero pag nakikita mong masaya yung mga anak mo, automatic, napapangiti ka na lang. Aside from swimming, nag-biking din sila at tumakbo-takbo lang sa open space. Simple, pero priceless. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman kailangan ng bonggang trip para maging masaya. Kahit ganitong simpleng banding lang, sobrang valuable na. Yung mga ganitong moments talaga yung gusto namin i-keep. Memories na dadalhin nila paglaki nila. Then syempre, food trip. We had a chance to try the Bali restaurant and guys, one of the highlights talaga was the hot chocolate milk. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon, pero sobrang nagustuhan ni Rio. Yun talaga yung hinahanap niya. Minsan talaga simple things brings the biggest happiness. Hindi lang food, yung nag-enjoy kami, pati ambience. Tahimik, hindi crowded, kaya perfect for chill dining. Habang ini-enjoy namin lahat ng to, bigla akong naparimenis. Kasi this actually not my first time here in Jebel Hafid. The first time I visited was way back 2014. First year ko pa lang dito sa UAE. That time, wala pa kaming kids si Dudes at hindi pa kami kasal noon. Dalawa lang kami, with friends, syempre. Simple lang, pero masaya. Tapos ngayon bumalik kami, but this time, kasama na namin ang dalawa naming bulilit. Nakaka-amaze lang how life changes, no? From quiet couple trips to loud but happy family adventures. Mas maingay, mas makulit, but definitely mas puno ng pagmamahal. Napaisip din ako kung gaano kabilis ang panahon. Hindi man perfect ang buhay, pero sa mga ganitong moments, masasabi mo na, okay na ako. Then came sunset. Habang palubog yung araw, nag-iba yung kulay ng langit. Parang painting. Yung tipong mapapatigil ka na lang at magpapasalamat. And at night, sobrang tahimik, walang ingay ng city, walang stress. Parang reset button talaga siya. We stayed for 2 days and 1 night, pero sulit na sulit talaga. Hindi man siya long vacation, pero sapat para makapag-recharge, makapag-banding, at makagawa ng bagong memories. The next day, kinabukasan, after enjoying our breakfast and last moments sa bundok, it was time for us to say goodbye. Medyo nakakasad kasi ang sarap pa sana magstay. Pero syempre, back to reality na ulit. So we packed our things, took a few last photos, at nagsimula na kaming bumiyahe pabalik ng Sharjah. Habang pababa ng bundok, parang ayaw mo pang umalis. Gusto mo pang ulitin yung experience. Pero at this time, dala mo yung saya at memories na buo ninyo. And of course, this trip wouldn't be possible without our friends and relatives. So maraming salamat kina Ate Frechi and Krishna and Vivan for inviting us. Super na-appreciate namin, and we had such a wonderful time celebrating with you guys. Overall, masasabi ko talaga na worth it ang short staycation na ito. If you are here in the UAE and looking for a quick escape, I highly recommend visiting Jebel Hafid. Perfect siya for families, couples, or even solo travelers. And always remember mga ka-Ilonggos, make time for your family kasi hindi natin namamalayan lumalaki na yung mga bata. So, ayun lang for today's video mga ka-Ilonggos. We hope you enjoyed watching our little family adventure. Kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and family vlogs. See you on our next trip. Bye!